Hey guys, welcome to Design Dreams. My name is Arshdeep Singh and today we're going to learn how to create interactive toggle buttons using auto layout. But before we start, know that you have toggle buttons available in your assets within 3 pre-installed libraries, which includes iOS, Material Design, and Simple Design by Figma. However, if you want to learn how to create interactive toggle buttons from scratch using auto layout, this is the video for you. First up, in our artboard, we're going to press F to create a frame which is going to be about 28 pixels by 28 pixels because that's the ideal size for any toggle button. Let's zoom in a little and then we're going to change the name of the frame to toggle switch. Now we're going to convert the toggle switch into an auto layout by pressing Shift A. Once this is converted into auto layout, let's create another auto layout on top of toggle switch by pressing Shift A again. This one is named as frame 1 by default. We're going to rename it as toggle/false. Now select your toggle switch and press Command or Ctrl D to create a duplicate. Now we're going to adjust the appearance for our toggle. First, let's give the toggle false the fill of white. And for the toggle switches, we're going to give them a shade of gray. Change the corner radius to 5 pixels. And for the toggle false, we're going to change the corner radius to about 6 pixels. Once that's done, let's adjust the gaps and the padding. The padding is going to be 4 pixels by 4 pixels for the auto layout properties, and for the gap between two switches is also going to be 4 pixels. And finally, let's give the stroke of gray as the same color as the switches to our toggle false. Now this is almost the final appearance. However, you can play around with any appearance you want as you desire, but this is just for demonstration purposes. Select your entire toggle false and create its duplicate by pressing Alt or Option and dragging a copy. And now for this variant, we're going to change its name to toggle/true. Keeping your toggle true selected, come to the properties. From the selection colors, select the gray variant and give it a color of blue, for instance. You may choose any color you want. And now we have two potential variants that we can use for an interactive component. Select both of these, and then for the resizing property for the width, we're going to change it to fixed. And then selecting your toggle false, we're going to delete the right hand side box. And for the toggle true, we're going to delete any one of the switches. Because the toggle true needs to be on the right hand side, so we're going to change the auto layout property, the alignment property, towards the right. Now two states for our toggle are ready. Select both the variants, come to the properties bar on the right hand side, click the drop down next to create component options. And from here, you're going to select the third option, which is create component set. The component is now ready with two states. One is false and one is true. So the property name is going to be state. Now we're going to jump into prototype mode by clicking on the prototype on the sidebar, or you can press shortcut, which is Shift E. Here, select one instance, connect it to the second instance. The trigger is going to click and the action is going to be changed to, and the state is going to be true. Select your second variant and then connect it to the first variant, which is the false variant. The trigger is going to remain same, which is click, action is changed to, and the state is going to be the false state. To preview your design, simply create its instance or a copy of a component. Either you can just use it in any of your existing frames or your designs that you already have made, or to test your prototype, make sure you put it in the frame first. Let's change it to toggle button. Keeping your toggle button frame selected, select present. And now you will be able to interact with your component. So this is how you can create interactive auto layout components that you can reuse again and again for your designs. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Figma and UX UI tutorials.